Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a Hobby Lobby haul. Yes, I was enabled by several of you crafters. I hadn't had a chance to get out to Hobby Lobby to check out the new Valentine's Day stuff. I know my bestie Armene hauled some stuff, and then also Anne, who is, I think, Crafty Kimchi on YouTube. She had shared some stuff, so thank you ladies for enabling. So let's jump right in. The first thing that I picked up in the Valentine's Day section with this adorable wooden wreath, and it's a mini wreath, and it was $3.99, but it was 40% off. All the Valentine's Day stuff is 40% off this week, in case you're wondering. And I really want to make a project with this. I was inspired by a project that my friend Shara Crane made over Christmas time, and so I want to try to do something with this, so that's why I picked that up. I did also pick up a hand towel for the kitchen. I love black and white, and then the red heart is absolutely adorable, so this is going in my kitchen. And then I did pick up some faux leather. It's not on sale this week, but I did pick up 3 sheets. I picked up red, gold, and this really pretty purple, and I picked these colors out for Valentine's Day. I love making bows out of my steel rule dies using faux leather, so that is why I picked these up, because I had made a bunch of them before, and I think pretty much all of them are gone. I think I used all the ones I made, so need to make some more. I did pick up some stickers. The stickers were 40% off this week, so I picked up this red trim border and it's self-adhesive ribbon in the sticker section. I also picked up these tiny flowers in the Valentine's Day section, and I thought those are pretty. I picked up the Valentine's Day Epoxy mini lips, and I just love the little gold accent, and they're just absolutely adorable. I'm thinking about popping these on some mini heart rosettes or just a mini rosette, and I only picked up one. I don't know, I might need to go back and get another one because these are really extra cute. Love this. I did pick up this adorable little bear kit. For some reason, I just kept looking at him and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, this is super cute and I want to try to make him. And I was thinking, you know, I could pop him on a straw or put him in some Happy Mail. I don't know. I just wanted to pick him up, and it was 40% off. So I did. And then I picked up 2 of these adorable shaker heart stickers. I think my friend Amy Franco here on YouTube, I think she had shared these. I'd watched several ladies haul stuff, but I just thought these were extra cute, and I love the little gold rim around the heart and the cute little face. Adorable. So picked up 2. I picked up 1 die set. I just wanted this one. I wanted some more little doggy themed dies in my stash, so dies are 40% off this week, so I did pick up this one. Going back to Valentine's Day, I did pick up these little unicorn, they're calling them unicorn stickers, but technically they're not a sticker. They're like a little, I don't know, like a little figurine with a sticker, like a sticky dot on the bottom. But I was thinking that this would be cute to create a unicorn shadow box. So that was my thinking behind the unicorn stickers. I did pick up some heart straws. This was a 25 count, and I figured these would be pretty to do some wand rosettes. I picked up these adhesive sheets, and this was on the faux leather aisle section. Hadn't seen it before, but it says you can, you can run your dies through this and create a sticker. So I'm gonna give it a try and see if I like it, and I'll let you know. But I figured I'd try that out. It was only $2.27. And then I did stop in the ribbon section, and the ribbon was 50% off this week. So I did get some ribbon. I got this really pretty ruffled pink, and then I got a pink satin, and of course I'm thinking Valentine's Day, that's why I picked those colors up. And then Anne had shared these colors of the faux leather, and these are just the wide ribbon spools that you can get, and they were 50% off, and I love all 3 of these colors. Are perfect for Valentine's Day for sure. So love those. And then I did pick 1 spool of tulip, and I think the tulle was also 50% off, and I just picked it up in this like aqua blue color. I thought that was pretty. And then what else did I pick up? Oh, last but not least, I did pick up some New Year's balloons. They were, I think, I can't remember, like 70% off clearance for next year, because they just say Happy New Year, and I thought those were cute. And I did get a Happy New Year little like sign that I could put in my kitchen, but I did not bring that down with this haul. But anyway, that's my Hobby Lobby haul. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Please leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.